Not 100%, but a hell of a lot better than I have been. In time for Songkran.
Alright, Dale, what day is it?
Oh, a whole bunch of people looking at us funny. Are we early? I don't know.
I think we're very early.
One dude had his phone in a waterproof couch, at least. When I looked on the roof, there was a dude down here shooting, so there's something happening.
I can hear some music going.
Yeah, there's music.
Find out when we get to Bangla anyway. We're very inviting, dressed up this way, I think. Where to party at, people? Hey! Happy Songkran!
Oh, yeah.
Alright, that's interesting. So, I think we're the first tourists that are all dressed up in Songkran gear for the day. Those taxi guys got really excited when they saw us dressed like this and started shooting us with water. So, here we go, some ladies. Let's see if we get the same reaction. Oh, we can't shoot in though. Alright, Dale. So it looks like we've got some but not all. So
Not a lot happening here.
yeah, here we go. Oh. Water gun. All the ice trucks loading up the bars for ice cold water. Alright, where are we going for coffee? Alright, so
7,800 bar.
the first walk down O-Top, I think it's just about 12:30, quarter to 1 now. Everything's just slowly starting. If you're not wearing any Songkran gear or you don't have a water gun or anything, you can walk around freely here and no one will really get you. But if you're walking around and you got all the gear on, all the Thais are happy to see you. They'll throw some water on you, you can throw some water on them. And this looks like it's more active than Bangla.
Flag the coffee and go beer.
I think so, yeah. Hello. Hello.
A little bit after 1 o'clock now at the O-Top market. Handful of bars open. So it's interesting that compared to previous trips, the water fight action is a lot less on the first day at this time by comparison. So yeah, only a couple of bars here going off, and you would have seen in the walk through Bangla, same scenario, only a couple of bars. But what we did notice was me and Dallas walking out of the room dressed in all our Songkran gear, had the water gun, had the waterproof pouches and everything. We get a lot more So we've been getting a lot of great feedback from locals here just even as we walk past, because they can see we're dressed in the gear, we've got the water guns, we're ready to enjoy the festival, whereas so many other people are walking around in their day-to-day gear. So many other people are getting splashed with water, freaking out, running away. So it's really great when you see something like this and you get to one point where there's a little bit of action happening, and we can't wait until later on this afternoon and into tonight. Tonight's going to be insane. Tomorrow's going to be even more insane, but we're going to head from spot to spot and try and show you guys just how insane this festival is every single year. So we were here 4 years ago on the very last big Songkran festival before the pandemic hit. This is now the first full Songkran festival since the pandemic hit, because it got shut down halfway through last year. Even just being out in it for the last half an hour, you can just, the atmosphere is insane. All the locals are super happy. I'll go back through later and I'm going to break down some of the more traditional aspects of the festival, explaining sort of why the water guns, why the buckets, why the powder. I'll go through and break all that down a bit later on. But for now, I think it's just time to have some fun, have a few drinks, get in with the locals and get some people wet. Hey now, you got some funny white stuff on your face. No. Where's your uniform? Where's your shirt?
I have one fitting. The customer coming.
Yeah.
And after.
Play.
Bangla full?
No, we just come.
Oh, we went there this morning. It was pretty quiet.
Yeah.
Then we came here. It was busier here, so we stayed here a while.
Yeah.
Now we go back, check it out.
Yeah. We'll see you soon. Let me know about the
Yes.
hotel.
Yeah.
I'll sort it all. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Well, good.
Our gift for you.
Thank you. Thank you. I will message you then.
Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, just leaving the room again. As you can see, we're in a new outfit. We've done a quick costume change. There probably will be another one today at some point. It's just good to have the multiple shirts to keep everything dry, to have a shower, clean off occasionally, and just relax.
It's only because we got saturated just before the apartment.
Yeah.
We were almost dry to that point, so we could have kept the same clothes on. But
Yeah.
because we got this one saturated, it was just easier to change and just dry here
Yeah.
and walk around the apartment with dripping everywhere.
So while we're heading back out now, just thought we would give you guys a quick rundown on some Songkran information for anyone curious. So initially it started as a Hindu tradition back centuries ago, and then was brought to Thailand, and they've incorporated parts of the Buddhism religion into the celebration now. So basically, in a nutshell, it is a water festival symbolizing purification. So you will see a lot of, in the more traditional areas, you will see a lot more people pouring hands over the elderly as a sign of respect.
Pouring water over the hands.
Pouring water over the hands of the elderly, which is a sign of respect and a thank you for their wisdom. The second part of it is washing away the bad luck from the previous year. Now you'll see some people walking around with some sort of wet powder on their hands, and they'll come up and they'll rub it on your face. Now this is sort of like a blessing or a wish. So they'll come up and essentially what they're doing is wishing you luck and prosperity for the next year. And I know a lot of people get mad when they do it. It seems a little gross and it's hard to get off sometimes, but it's well intentioned. You're here for Songkran. If you are planning on being here for the festivities or not, you're a part of it.
Yeah, there is no opting out. You can't say, my house.
Yeah.
Don't want, no.
Don't want to get wet.
You're walking around on the
If
streets.
you're out in the streets, you get wet.
You
no
will
matter
get
what.
wet. People will throw water on you. It is.
Doesn't matter what you're wearing, doesn't matter what you're carrying, you will get wet.
It is only meant as a compliment. It is only meant as a blessing, a cleansing sort of thing for a new year, starting afresh, that sort of thing. Anyway, guys, I'll flip this camera around, get back on the road, get some lunch, head to Bangla. It should be going off pretty well by now. Let's have a look. You're serious? Yeah. It'll be everything, huh? Hey, bro. Oh. In the head. What the fuck? When we get to the room, we gotta finish this video. What do you want to do at the front of the room?
That's going to be the busiest first day we've ever had.
Close enough to it. Hey, puppy! Puppy, puppy! Puppy!
That was a whole pile of... So we're going to go have a hot shower now.
Separate hot shower.
Yes, we have a 2-bedroom villa.
We're
Condo.
We're not together. Not that there's anything wrong with that. but
He's
we-
having a hot shower in his room. I'm having a hot shower in my room. And we're going to end that video here. So,
Guys, that was day 1 of Songkran and Patong. Seriously.
yeah, that was for night time on day 1. That was pretty busy. Tomorrow's going to be nuts.
Day 2 is the crazy day. So guys, seriously, we're going to live stream. Obviously you won't, you'll see the live stream before you see this video. I hope you see the live stream. It's going to be insane.
It was actually meant to be a live stream already, but I couldn't get it to work. So we'll fix it tonight, and tomorrow there will be live streams. Whoa, whoa.
We're completely drenched
No,
and
no.
there are tiles here.
No more for this guy.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it so much. Please give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed me tripping over myself. And please subscribe if you already
They're
haven't.
crazy, beautiful girls getting wet, and all the other people also getting wet, and us getting wet.
That's great. Yeah, guys, it's going to be insane. We love bringing you content like this. We want to bring you more content like this. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you are notified every single time we provide one of these awesome videos for you guys. So until tomorrow, which don't want to miss
It's
this.
not far away, and you don't miss it.
Guys, seriously, I ain't going to show you a preview on this one, but I will see you tomorrow.
Peace.
We'll be right back.